Algebraic expression. Hello students. Today we will learn about algebraic expression, the expression which contains equal to sign known as an algebraic equation. In an expression, the value of the left-hand side of equal to sign is known as LHS and the value on the right-hand side of the equal to sign is known as RHS. The expression on the right-hand side is always equal to the expression on the left-hand side in an equation. Statement of equality which involves one or more than one variables is known as equation. Let's see an example of 3x plus 6 is equal to 12, where 3 is called numerical coefficient, x is called variable, 6 is constant, 12 is expression. Solution of equation by different method. Students, there are different methods to find solution of equation. We will learn one by one. Solution of equation by trial and error method. It is the most simple method to find solution of equation. To find solution of equation by trial and error method, we follow these basic steps. Take an equation, put some values of the variable and find the values of LHS and RHS of the equation. When for a particular value of the variable, we get LHS is equal to RHS, then that value of the variable is the solution of the equation. Let's take an example. 7x plus 5 is equal to 33. We will find the different values of x to satisfy the equation. If x is equal to 1, then 7 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 12. If x is equal to 2, then x into 2 plus 5 is equal to 19. If x is equal to 3, then 7 into 3 plus 5 is equal to 26. If x is equal to 4, then 7 into 4 plus 5 is equal to 33. Thus, for x is equal to 4, LHS is equal to RHS. So, the solution of the equation or the root of the equation is 4. Solving the equations using addition of principle of balance equation. In this method, if the same quantity or number is added to both the sides of an equation, the equation is said to be balanced or remains equal. In general, we can say that if x is equal to y, then x plus z is equal to y plus z for all real numbers x, y, and z. Let's understand this method by taking an example. Solve x minus 7 is equal to 9. Add 7 to both sides in the equation. We get x minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 9 plus 7. Thus, x is equal to 16. Solving the equations using subtraction of principle of balance equation. In subtraction, if the same quantity is subtracted from both the sides of an equation, the equation is said to be balanced or remains equal. For example, solve x plus 17 is equal to 34. We have x plus 17 is equal to 34. Subtract 17 from both sides in the equation. We get x plus 17 minus 17 is equal to 34 minus 17. Thus, x is equal to 17. Solving the equations using multiplication method of principle of balance equation. In multiplication, if the same quantity or number is multiplied on both the sides of an equation, the equation is said to be balanced or remains equal. Therefore, if A is equal to B, then A into C is equal to B into C for all real numbers A, B, and C. For example, solve x by 9 is equal to 81. Multiply by 9 to both sides in the equation. We get x by 9 into 9 is equal to 81 into 9. Hope you have understood the chapter.